Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see the best video editing software for PC for YouTube. So without further ado is DaVinci Resolve. You need Windows, macOS or Linux, and it has advanced color grading, VFX software, audio transcription and multi-platform. It's best for experienced editors, aspiring professionals, prosumers. It has a professional-grade tools that matches and, in some areas, exceeds Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro. Cross-platform like works in Windows 11, Mac, and Linux, and also it's free and extremely powerful for no-cost tool. It has major updates in version 20, new keyframe editor, PSD support on timeline, better text tools, and faster workflow. But some AI and advanced tools are locked behind the Resolve Studio, which is a $300 one-time, and steep learning curve for beginners due to its depths. So DaVinci Resolve is perfect if you're serious about YouTube and want Hollywood-level editing tools without paying a subscription. It covers everything from basic trimming to cinematic color correction, effects, and audio post-production. For creators who eventually want to upgrade, Resolve Studio is one-time cost, much cheaper long-term than Adobe Premiere Pro. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.